Good day and welcome to the Gulf News Update for Sunday, May the 18th. Here are the top stories at this hour. Motorists in the UAE who overtake on hard shoulders of highways could be jailed for up to a month, fined 600 dirhams and get 10 black points. Brigadier Hussein Ahmad Al-Harthi, head of Directorate of Traffic and Patrols at Abu Dhabi Police, said hard shoulders were for use only in case of emergencies by ambulances and police cars. Saudi companies have been ordered to exclude Dutch firms from future projects because of stickers printed by a far-right politician that display anti-Islam slogans in the image of the Saudi flag. A royal decree to this effect was made public by the Makkah Chamber of Commerce. Saudi Arabia has reported 5 new deaths from the MERS virus, bringing the death toll in the worst-hit country to 168. The Health Ministry said the total number of MERS cases in the kingdom now stood at 529. Thousands of people welcomed India's next Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi yesterday after he led his party to a resounding election victory. A new government will take office sometime after the BJP's newly elected lawmakers formally appoint Modi as Prime Minister on Tuesday. Nigeria and its neighbors have vowed to join forces against Boko Haram under a deal described as a declaration of war on the militants holding more than 200 schoolgirls. Nigerian President Goodluck Jonathan and his counterparts from Benin, Chad, Cameroon and Niger approved the action plan against Boko Haram in Paris. In sport, Barcelona coach Gerardo Martino has said he will leave the club after failing to win a major title in his one season in charge. The Catalans' hope of retaining La Liga ended with a 1-1 draw to Atletico Madrid. Meanwhile, Arsene Wenger has assured fans he will sign a new contract soon after ending Arsenal's 9-year trophy drought with a 3-2 FA Cup final win over Hull City. In the Indian Premier League, Royal Challengers Bangalore go into today's early match against Chennai Super Kings under pressure to get a win to boost their playoff hopes. The late match sees Sunrisers Hyderabad take on Kolkata Knight Riders. And finally the weather. Today's high across the UAE will be 34 degrees Celsius, dropping to 27 degrees at night. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. And as always, you can get the latest news at gulfnews.com.